Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl Dipped in Chocolate. So when you see the title down below, you know it's a Christmas preparation and dinner and this excitement vlog. Today I'll be going to work at Knoxford Court Hotel. I'm going to something called a summit with Sea Craves restaurant. Then tomorrow, well no, in the night I'll be going to a party. Then tomorrow, I don't know where I'm gonna go, but you know it's gonna be pure excitement. So just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all. So yes guys, this is me. The summit is basically a place where the restaurant goes to sell food. It's like, it would be like a place where different restaurants go to sell food, and a person can just come and chill. You can have a date there, but it's like every Friday at the Knoxford Court Hotel. So on Sea Cribs menu we had like shrimp, lobster, pasta, wraps, soups. So yeah, as I said before, I was planning on going to a party. So this next clip is me getting ready to go and enjoy myself for the first time since exams are over, because child, I have been just working. So this is gonna be good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am on the Ramona campus. My nice clean boss has dropped me off, and I'm here. But tonight is when the modest life begins. So stay tuned. Yeah man, so I was on UE's campus because I was meeting with a friend at Taylor Hall. It was her boyfriend's party, and then we went to the party. Yeah, we were at VIP and we're just vibing. So next clips will show us the vibe.
Hey,
Yeah, go for Farmer Ross.
Make up on vacation.
Vacation.
The top girl and the little boy. You know the girl, right? Woo!
The girl though.
You know that you can basically and call it here.
So guys, that morning I woke up after 10 to get my hair done. My stylist came, and this is how my hair looks. It's giving like locks. So I got my this is basically my natural hair wrapped with some Afro kinky twists. So it's actually my natural hair length and my natural hair, but it's just wrapped. Like she plait it up and she wrap it with some Afro kinky twists.
All over the globe when I'm up, you understand? Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram. Chico, I'm a party. What you say, agree to it?
So guys, I don't know it's our Christmas season, so you know, so the dollar have to clean up our place. So I started washing, and then I went on to cleaning the fridge, the bathroom, and just the entire house.
I know I'm a style when it comes. You understand? I can't take it everywhere, nigga. guys, after the epic cleaning, I went ahead and washed down my hand, detergent my hand, it's a be a cleaning me I do. And I went ahead and seasoned up the three meats that I have to cook. I have mutton, pork, and chicken. So I'm going to curry the mutton, stew the pork, and fry the chicken. So guys, this is my first time doing mutton and pork. So I was kind of nervous because the first time doing something, I wonder if I waste the food. But I did a exceptional, marvelous, and tremendous job on the food. I triangulate, diangled the food. You guys should have coulda taste it. Come angle it. Grace Kennedy, and even Grace Kennedy, Chef Ramsay, have knocked upon the doll. And the doll does a go through, she does a peel apart things them, and she does a dance to her music, and she does a enjoy life sweet to the guys. Life sweet. When the mind contented, and you do something where pleasing unto yourself, and nobody else is perfect. Nobody else wants to acknowledge you. There's a mental thing which is in you are the mental, physical, spiritual, alright. So you just live and I just thank him that everything will go in my favor, and also I hope that everything that I'm doing is aligned with his favor, or is or is purpose and destiny for me. So yeah, man, go and listen to some music while you see me a dance to some chronicler or some or some type of thing in the background.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, just think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, love you. We know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you wanted with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's
So guys, after all of the cleaning, the seasoning up, and just hard work, finally getting ready. So I'm shower already. Everything now, I'm just lotioning up, perfume up, accessorizing everything to get ready to go to VR World. I've always wanted to go to VR World, so I've just got the opportunity to go. So I'm super duper excited. You guys will be seeing me enjoying myself like child. I always wanted to go to this place because I always see it on Instagram and people always being so crazy, saying they see zombies, saying they see big dinosaurs and them something there. So I wanted to have the virtual reality experience. So let's go enjoy ourselves, chocolate babies.
That's when you shoot. Go too fast, no shoot. Alright? Yeah. If you get light, and you sit up in class, and that time you shoot, but you go hold him out.
So guys, the gun game would have been so stupid because I try aim, show me say me I aim, but it not like aim on me one. So it just you know like it. But rather when the thing where you put up your eye and the aim.
Test data. Get the mom and then leave me.
So guys, I'm back home. Now it is 12:24 on December 25th. So it's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you have a prosperous new year and that everything will go in your favor and everything that is in your favor or that you want will be aligned with what God has planned for you. And I hope you guys just continue being wonderful people. Just continue, showing your love to others because it goes a far way. I opened a bottle of red wine and I'm sipping it and I'm watching some Gossip Girl as usual because I got to finish the series before 2024 because come on girl, you've been watching this for a month now. That's mad crazy. Yeah, I'm not really too jolly because I'm just gonna wait until the morning to get super hyped and super excited. I'm gonna show you guys the gift bags on the table. Let me show you guys. So those are the gift bags. So I have presents to open tomorrow. Yeah, so continue watching. Tomorrow is a busy day. Well, today is gonna be later on it's gonna be so busy. I have to cook, make drinks. I'm going to do some cleaning also because I didn't finish washing yesterday. Boxing Day is gonna be really busy also, but everything will work out in my favor in the name of Jesus. So continue watching. So hey guys, good morning. I am here doing some Christmas breakfast, doing some pancakes. I think I did it wrong because this is like kind of my first time doing it. I think I should have put some sugar in it, but the pancake syrup will make it sweet, right? But you know that I had seasoned up some food from yesterday, so I will have that to start cooking. Now it's maybe 12 o'clock. I don't remember. I don't know the time. So I'll start that by 1, and you guys are gonna just be here with me. So guys, me done rinse out some of my clothes. I have this ginger tea bag. I'm going to just add milk in it. So guys, my Christmas is kind of not going how I wanted it to go, but I'm just gonna use milk in it. I add sugar and try to enjoy myself for Christmas. This morning was a disaster, but I'm going to persevere. I add some sugar, I eat my food, my breakfast, and then I go to boom and start the cooking. Guys, I'm gonna start the cooking now. So let's go. I'm gonna start with the rice and peas. So I'm gonna cut up these and put them in the pan there. So that's what this are going cook. The peas are going to cook. So yeah. Okay guys, so unpack my Christmas gift with me. I'm not even telling you all the food. The food was really good. Like my right shoulder is hurting me because I was doing the virtual game thing yesterday. So I got a bag from Limbo from. I got a bag, I don't know the name. This can be worn to school. I really do want a school bag. I get one bag. The bag has a lot of compartments. So I can have my iPad, my phone, my one notebook, and my thing in there. Guys, been telling us I couldn't find my bank card. I can't find my bank card. So this is a really nice bag. I can have my juice and my water. So this bag is called Clutchy. Ratted Clutchy. And I got this oversized sweater. Yeah. These are my 2 gifts for Christmas. Shoot. You know, somebody do our oversized sweater, but I wonder if I did want it. Guys, you realize I'll be a pink me away from what day? I want to go on Nathan Barbie. Nathan Barbie. So, I'm going to be a pink the Barbie wearing for sure. So it is nice and comfy. So yeah, right now me I watch Grinch. I'm gonna just chill, me watch Grinch. Tomorrow I think I'm going to dinner, but I'm not sure. I might just chill at home tomorrow, but let's see. Let's see how that goes.
Hi guys, so this is I don't remember which day. Oh, today is the 27th of December. I am at Ayee trying to get back my bank card. So guys, I lost my bank card holder, so it has all of my bank cards in it, so I'm trying to get them back. I don't think I'll be getting back the one that the American account card, because you know that girl, I would have to be overseas to get that back. So yeah, and then I'm going to US hospital because my father, why me I talk about my father? My brother, he's up there. I think he's going to surgery one of these days, but I'm going to look for him and see what's going on. So yeah, now I'm going over Juicy Beef to buy a patty, and then I'm going back over to the bank because I'm number 4 in line. But the lady said I can go ahead because you know bank stay, them are gonna take a long time to do what I'm doing. But yeah. Yeah man, the food was good. I give it an 8 out of 10. Heading back to NCB because I said I'm 4th in line, so I hope I can be at least 2nd in line when I go back there. But let's see. So guys, I'm at the UE hospital trying to find the front decks. Jesus Christ, the sun is pelting. It's not even hot, it's pelting with a capital P. Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm at the hospital right now and I'm so scared. Like, this place is so scary. Like, I just passed one man, don't know if him dead. Him just a lie down. Jesus Christ. So guys, I just came from the hospital, showered off because trust me, hospital look weird. But guys, the vlog has come to an end now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell on to be notified when I upload another YouTube video. I'm here watching Gossip Girls.